Shut up and sit down.
Fucking prick! What a fucking dickhead!
Every whisper, every sound.
Oh, come on, people, this is fucking ridiculous.
Graffiti walls, shadows of dreams, corny jokes at midnight, stitched at the seams. We was young, reckless, feeling the vibe. Whispers in the dark, where magic would hide. Tears in the acoustics, beats in the breeze, echoes of laughter, lost in the trees. This old place, our sacred ground. Every whisper, every sound.
Are you taking the piss?
Fireflies in mason jars, wishes in the night.
Fucking hell, it's 40 your dick!
Pretty strings and late night schemes, tangled in the mist, chasing dreams. Still feels real, though it's blurred and hazy. Ghost in the wind, never thought we'd be lazy. Worn out sneakers.
This is what happens to holiday makers. They come out of a 20 zone, don't realise they've now come into a 40 zone, and they sit at 20. They are frightened to death of going any faster than 20 in Wales. This 20 mile an hour lark just doesn't work. Nobody knows the rules of the road anymore. That, or they're just not watching the signs. They're not observant. This happens all the time. This is more dangerous than speeding. This is why we've got so much road rage in Wales. Doing fucking 30, shitting on his fucking car, smoking like fuckers while I'm